Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome you guys, this is the Velvet Locks with another video. Now, although I am not a huge fan of drinking water, I am a fan of Detox and also Infused fruit waters. Well, I want to share with you 7 healthy detox water recipes that I swear by. Stay tuned for the video. Blueberries are a widely known antioxidant and is also known to help improve memory and cognitive functioning. They are also high in vitamin K, the vitamin that helps with blood clotting. Now, oranges are notable for being very high in vitamin C and contains various phytonutrients and antioxidants, helping to reverse free radical damage. This water also contains 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The cinnamon amount is 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon is known as an antimicrobial food. It also helps to regulate blood sugar while speeding up your metabolism, thus boosting weight loss. The apples have phytonutrients that help control blood sugar as well as help to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. Apple cider vinegar is high in acetic acid, lowering blood sugar levels and can increase feelings of fullness. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. They are also known to have anti-inflammatory and heart health benefits. Cucumbers also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Watermelon is high in lycopene, like tomatoes. Lycopene is a carotenoid phytonutrient that is especially important for our cardiovascular health. This fruit also contains a high level of citrulline. Citrulline is an amino acid that is commonly converted by our kidneys and other organ systems into arginine. Limes are filled with vitamin C and antioxidants and protects against arthritis. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. They're also known to have anti-inflammatory and heart health benefits. Peaches improve cardiovascular health and helps to lower blood pressure. Lemons and limes are both filled with vitamin C and antioxidants. Grapefruits are also packed with antioxidants as well, and not to mention lycopene. Lemon and limes are both filled with vitamin C antioxidants. Cucumbers also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. However, the cucumber is known for its hydrating properties towards the skin. Enjoy your detox water recipes, and thank you for watching. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. check down below in my eBay store. And when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it, okay? You're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original and it's only seen on this channel, okay? So like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store, all right? So until the next time, you guys, have fun, okay? And I will see you in the next video.